Hey there everyone, Melissa here. Today I want to do a review on the 100-foot 5/8 inch Flexzilla hose. We are avid gardeners, we do a lot of outdoor things, and we just wanted to buy a good quality hose because we are sick of buying a hose every single year. This hose is really awesome quality. It is seriously flexible. So you can see it's very pliable and it has a rubbery finish to it. So it's not like your typical hose where it has like a sheen. The end piece here is also flexible and it has the metal ends. You can see it comes with the gasket. It has a hard quality plastic end. You can twist this so it makes it easy to attach. Again, this is 100 feet and it is actually quite light for it being that much hose. I'm a smaller woman and I have no problem carrying this. This hose does have a lot of really awesome features. We have found that it doesn't kink like other hoses normally do, and it's also rated for drinking water if you plan to use it for that. We've been using this hose for several weeks now and we still really love it. It works really great. If I needed to ever buy a hose again, I will definitely stick with this brand because it has worked so well. So overall, if this is something that you are considering, hopefully this review helps you decide if it's the right product for you or not. But overall, we are really happy with this hose and I highly recommend it.